Okay, so now it's time to pick our travel expenses. So I'm traveling with Miss Mutz, Miss Packard, and I, little girls trip, and we are going big. We're going to go Lamborghini, So we're going to fill out why we chose this vehicle. We want to travel in style. And since there are 3 people going, we have to consider the fact that it only holds 2 people. So we are going to have to also get 2 Lambos. So then it says, how many of these vehicles would you need to bring along? We would need 2. So now use the miles per gallon of your vehicle or vehicles that you chose to determine how many gallons of gas you would need for your trip. So you're going to take the total number of miles of your trip by going back to that first section and adding up all of your miles that you're going to be traveling. Ours came out to 1,564. And so we have 1,564, and we're going to divide that by 13 miles per gallon. So we would need 120.3 miles per gallon. However, we would need to multiply that by 2 because there are 2 Lambos. So we actually need 240.6. So 240.6 is how many miles per gallon, or how many gallons of gas we would actually need. And then now we need to figure out how much that's going to cost us in gas. So it says that they are going to give us the price of $3.50. And so we're going to multiply that 240 miles per gallon times $3.50, and we get 842.1. How much does our vehicles cost per day? 160. So we have 160 times 2 vehicles times our 5 days, which gives us, well, that isn't typing, $1,600 in just having the car for 5 days. Well, both cars for 5 days. So how much will it cost for gas and days? We're going to add those 2 numbers up. So we are going to add that $1,600 plus our $42.10, and we get $2,442.10 in just car fees. That one hurts.